Hi, adorners. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi, I'm Adrienne. I am your auntie or your girlfriend of lifestyle and decor. It's summertime, and of course, we'd like to maybe pack a picnic with some fried chicken, but maybe you're not really supposed to have fried chicken. So I'm going to show you a different way to fry it in the oven. All right. So you can see here, I purchased some cheap drumsticks, pretty reasonable. Everything is so expensive right now. I have a large baking sheet that I covered in aluminum foil with some non-stick spray. I have my drumsticks washed and cleaned and ready to be seasoned. All right, so I'm going to season them. Now, I use different seasoning. I only put it on one side. I didn't put the seasoning on both because of the salt. Okay, but I used garlic powder, seasoned salt, and then for a little change, I actually used some lemon pepper seasoning. Great value that I just picked up at my local Walmart. All right, so our chicken is pretty much ready. You can add salt and pepper if you'd like. All right, then you want to lightly flour your chicken. All right, now this I did put on both sides. Okay, you want to flour your chicken on both sides, lightly flour it. You can flour it like you would normally flour it if you're going to fry chicken, but I usually just lightly flour it. Then we're going to coat it with a coat of canola non-stick spray. And I'm saying canola, right, canola and not vegetable oil, because we're going to put our oven at a high temp. And sometimes the vegetable oil, I find that it starts to smoke. So canola non-stick spray, coat it really great. You see I coated it really great. My oven is set for 390. You could set your oven for 400, but depending on. Okay, so we see our oven. You see our chicken cooking here, right? Our chicken is almost done. It's actually done here. We're going to take it out of the oven. It was in the oven for 50 minutes. Okay, at about 390 to 400 degrees. We have our fried chicken. We take it out just like you would if you had fried it. You might want to put it on a paper towel to soak any excess oil from the pan off. And of course, you serve it with your favorite hot sauce. Do you like hot sauce? Okay, I use Texas Pete. I'm kind of a Texas girl. Some people use Louisiana. So many different types of hot sauce. Okay, so let's review. Okay, what are we going to do? We are going to lightly coat after we season our chicken with some flour. Spray it on a sheet that we've already sprayed with non-stick spray. Coat the chicken on top of the flour. Let it cook in the oven, 390 to 400 degrees for 50 minutes to an hour.
Okay, so my chicken is done.
50 minutes to an hour.
Going off. I'm gonna take
Check your chicken if you feel like it needs to cook a little bit more. That's up to you. Crispier, you can let it go maybe an hour and 10 minutes. All right, and then we have it. You could let it cool a little bit on the pan because it might stick. Just make sure you spray the pan really great. Put a lot of oil on when you spray it before you put the chicken on. And there you have some summer oven fried chicken without the frying. And it's pretty simple. Get your chicken, flour it, have some canola spray, spray it on the pan, spray it on the chicken. Set our oven 390 to 400 degrees depending on how hot it is, and there you have it, fried chicken in the oven. Anyway, as always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. Again, I'm your auntie and a girlfriend of lifestyle and decor. Hey, wouldn't yeast rolls go really great with this, especially if you're taking it on a picnic? Check out my other video. It's in my playlist. As always, saving hello for another time. Thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne.